Guangxi section of the border between China and Vietnam to mine another year will be used to exclude 2 million square meters of mined area. Detachment of officers and soldiers with TNT explosives detonated the siege left near the mine clearance mine. Yujing photo. In the coming year, the officers and men of the mine-clearing team responsible for this mine-clearing operation will conduct a comprehensive deep displacement of all remaining minefields along the Guangxi section of the border between China and Vietnam, completely eliminating the legacy of mine raids in the border areas. Search row in the minefield. Search row. Yujing photo. Search row in the minefield. Search row. Yujing photo. In the morning, K.N.B.T City, Guangxi Pass. Near the mouth of the pass sounded deafening explosions. The Southern Theater of Border Defense minesweeper officers and TNT explosives detonated the siege of mine left near the mine clearance. Minesweeper officers went to the minefield. Yujing photo. Minesweeper officers went to the minefield. Yujing photo. Ready to take off to detect blasting effect. Yujing photo. Ready to take off to detect blasting effect. Yujing photo. In order to better complete the task, during the preparatory phase of the mine clearance operation, the brigade selected more than 90 military and political qualities, demoning techniques and officers with excellent psychological quality set up the mine clearance teams and conducted mine clearance training for more than a month. During the training, the brigade focused on intensifying the organization and commanding, operational procedures, professional skills, safety protection and psychological qualities of miners and miners through theoretical teaching, single instruction training, expert guidance from outside, comprehensive training, field simulation training and practical explosion training. The capability and quality have laid a solid foundation for the smooth conduct of mine clearance operations. The Eastern Line is mainly responsible for the task of wiping out the remaining minefields in the 4 border counties, cities and districts, of Dongxing City, Fangcheng District, Ningmen County and K.N.B.T City of Guangxi Province. The West Line mainly shoulders the tasks of Longzhou County, Daxing County and Guangxi City Pao County, 4 border counties, cities, leftover mine clearance mission. The search and rescue team set up safety signs in the minefield. Yujing photo. The search and rescue team set up safety signs in the minefield. Yujing photo. The demoning, the opening of new detectors, water foam fire extinguishing devices and unmanned aerial vehicles and other advanced equipment. After the blasting, the F took off to carry out the detection of a detonating effect. If the minefield caused the mountain fire, the workers could not enter the minefield, and the water foam fire extinguishing device came in handy. Surge row in the minefield from the metal. Yujing photo. Surge row in the minefield from the metal. Yujing photo. There are still 53 places left over from the border towns of 17 counties and 8 counties, cities and districts, along Guangxi's borders with over 2 million square feet of minefields. The remaining minefields complex terrain, vegetation diversity, most of the minefield hidden in the wasteland of the jungle, and some minefields located near the cliffs of 90 degrees, the depth of demoning. Officers and men need to use ropes sliding down to work. The removal of thunderstorm difficult, heavy task of mine clearance. Finish.